Hello friends, this is African Spice Cooking Channel and I'm your host Chef Arnold, that's right. And I'm going to make you a beef wrap with egg, okay? So let's get cooking and don't forget to like my video, share, subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate that guys. Thank you so much, thank you again. Okay, so guys, I hope you're gonna like and enjoy this as much as I did, because this is perfect, this is good. I tell you, it may look simple but really good. You should try it. Let's get cooking. Okay, so you're gonna need a half cup of flour, regular white flour, and you're gonna need a pinch of salt. Just any salt will work here. Make sure it's edible. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, you just put there, and we're gonna need a splash of water. You add a little at a time. Don't add too much because you're gonna make a mess, and you're gonna want to make that beautiful dough looking. So you see, you're gonna need it with your arms. That's right. It's a very small dough. You don't need a stand mixer here. You're gonna need it with your arms, just like that. Keep pinching. That's right. Pinching. Yeah, of course. That's right again. So you're gonna cover it and count to 10 minutes or 15. That's right again. You're gonna count and let's see what we have. That's dough again. Okay, it's the dough again. Yeah. See how elasticity our dough turns into. Yeah, it's rested there and feels happy. Look at that. Look at that. Will you look at that? That looks amazing, guys. I like that. Okay, so I am having fun doing this because it's enjoyable. Yeah, I do it for me and I do it for my friends too, because I can't eat it alone. I'm gonna eat it with friends. So you're gonna need to cut the dough into 4 equal pieces, just like that, and you're gonna roll it with your arms again. Yeah, with your arms again, and you're gonna pinch the downside to close everything, and you're gonna have that round shape, really nice round shape, and you're gonna do the same with all, and they should look like the texture of the dough on top should be like a baby skin. Yeah, you know, and you're gonna put them into the room temperature cooking oil. Yeah, and let them sit there for 10 more minutes and you're good to go again. Okay, you are not in hurry here. You just do it slowly, not very slower, but slowly. Okay, while we wait, we are going to sear our beef on the hot pan, but we're not going to use oil at first. We are just going to sear it just like that without oil. Yeah, we are going to add ginger and garlic, and first ginger and then garlic as shown. Yeah, and we are going to leave out the onion, chop the onions for the later use, and I used chopped ginger and garlic here. So, and I'm going to add a splash of salt, or just a pinch of salt if you like to call it that way. That's fine, call it whatever. So, and I like spicy food, so I am going to use that pepper. Yeah, no, that's chili. You see, we don't have a difference here in Africa between chili and pepper. We call them pili pili. That's right, that's Swahili word. Okay, so, and we're gonna keep stirring after adding a splash of cooking oil. Once you're gonna need to add that cooking oil when the meat has already cooked. Okay, and we're gonna add those onions to the last minute. Okay, so because we have another step of cooking. Okay, so that's right again, let's say that. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna need our small doughs which we set aside. If you remember them, yeah, I know you remember them, of course. So I'm going to press them gently and nicely because I know they are elasticity. So I'm going to spread them with my fingers. Yeah, you need to be softer here. If you are stronger, you need to be softer. Yeah, if your arms are very strong, sorry guys, so you need to to be a little bit soft here, and you're gonna mix an egg white with the meat. Just about a tablespoon of meat, 2 tablespoons of meat will be fine. Yeah, depending on your size of the dough or of the round shape you are making with this dough. I mean, the bread, the way you spread it will depend. Okay, so just about 2 tablespoons of meat, and you're gonna do as shown. Yeah, you're gonna wrap it, you're gonna cover it, everything in the dough. And the next step, of course, is the searing. Yeah, we are going to sear the beef. Yeah, that's called what, shallow frying. Yeah, but I'm going to sear it. I have the beef inside, you know. Okay, let's keep moving. Just keep turning until you get that. Look at that. Look at those, my friends. They look amazing, ain't they? Yeah, that's right. You're gonna keep doing the same process again and again. That's right. You're gonna repeat it, doing it until you finish all the dough. That's right. You see, I'm going to whisk in the egg whites and the meat again and the beef. Yeah, that's right. That's ground beef. Yeah. So you're gonna spread it into lengthwise this time. That's what I decided to do. But there's no much difference here, because it's gonna taste the same, but the shape will be different. Okay, and I'm going to put that. Look how amazing that egg yolk is, and look how transparent that dough is, because the dough was very small, of course, and I'm using a pasta plate there. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle some cooking oil again, and my stove is on. Don't forget that. Okay, the stove should be on, but the fire should be medium to low, not too high or not too much fire here, because you don't want to burn anything here. So I'm going to flip my dough like that and put it there with the meat inside and the egg yolk and the egg and everything inside, and I'm gonna flip it again just like that. You see, I am running here like I don't know. Okay, let's keep running. That's right. You're gonna turn it. You're gonna push it to the sides just like that. Keep pushing, squeezing, just like that. Have fun, my friend. Have fun. This is delicious. When I tell you it's delicious, you're gonna believe me, and you're gonna touch it to the top to see if it's firm already. If it is, then you know you are almost there. You see, and you're gonna repeat and repeat if you have tons of doughs. Yeah, you're gonna keep repeating the process. There's nothing hard here, so you're gonna enjoy it. We are done. Until there, we are done, my friend. And see, look how amazing that is. Yeah, look at the color. The browning is perfect. The egg yolk, oh hallelujah, I love this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends. I'll be happy to see you again. I am going to post new videos every week, 2 or 3, just that.